Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your region on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to do so, you need to head over to Quick Settings and then All Settings. And when you're in the settings, head over to Privacy and go down to Find Location. Under Location, in this case mine is off, but you want to turn your location services on. So turn your location services on, and from there you can see scanning always available. So you always scan to get map precise location. So even if Wi-Fi is off, you keep scanning. Next, you're going to head over to where it says date and time. So go down to system and then you see date and time. Now I have it automatically set to providing network time. You can turn that off and then come over here and manually choose whatever region you want. So for instance, I choose my region to Santiago. Clicking on this will send it to Santiago and I'm good to go. So that's how you change the region on Chromecast. If you found that useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.